Everybody, welcome to Tech Insider Update.
In marketing, though, in preview right now are a few additional things, as well as planned for the April release, release wave 1 of 2021. You are going to get an additional ability in the email editor to include more than just the contact for personalization settings. So now any data that you configure in marketing configuration, you're able to pull that into an outgoing email and personalize it. So this could be, again, opportunity data. It could be any record that you want to link back. You're able to drop that information now in the assist edit. The other thing, they're improving the email editor. It will be a point and click. So you click on the toolbox control, you click where you want it to go. You don't have to mess around with their drag and drop interface, which was a little clunky. A couple other things to note, they've improved the customer journey editor where you build out your campaigns. So it's also more of a click control of click where you want to do something, and then it's going to pop up a little flyout to determine the actions that you want to do. The last thing I want to talk about on this page is A/B testing. So there's a number of things that they're going to be doing to improve this, where they're going to have different race conditions, how you pick the determining message, if you want to continue with different variations of the same message, and then you can specify that to automatically convert or manage that manually of when you want your customer journey to use the winning version. Okay. A couple other things. There will be more channels that you can add into a customer journey. So today it uses activities, meaning you're going to have an email, phone call, or a task. But now you'll notice that there's a custom tile for custom channels. This could be SMS. This could be a push notification to an Android or iOS device. This can also be WhatsApp. Any number of channels that you're able to create a connector for, we're able to now drop into the customer journey for sending out communications to your clients. And then the other thing that they continue to improve and build out on is the analytics. So as your customer journey is running, it is a real-time update of the information that's being collected back. So what are your bounces? Who's opening emails? Who's clicking links? Who's going to the pages? Who's submitting the forms? All there embedded, not only just in the customer journey, but it drills down into the emails analytics and then the contacts analytics.